Okay, Bana, sing, bitch. Oh, she's so pretty. The hair, like, girl. Oh, yes, yes. Heck no time. Heck no time. Oh my gosh, that's a yes. That's my favorite. I love Bana and I like this song. He's so like, oh, hi Bana, I love you. Ah, she went like this. Yes, she is beautiful. There you go, everyone. I enjoyed this song, even though I don't understand the language. Sometimes you go by the feeling, and she makes me feel something in my heart, and I just wanna like, Bana. Her voice, Bana voice is like, wow. Not just hers, like a lot of Kurdish singers, their voices are just amazing. But Bana has a special heart for me. Like, I don't know, I love Bana, okay? Anyways, if you guys want another Kurdish reaction, comment down below, and I'm gonna try to make all the reactions that you guys are asking as much as I can. So don't be impatient, they're coming. I'm paying attention. XO is Joe. Bye. Don't forget to thumbs up. Bye. Hit you with that